How to fix the NSES 500 error on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Netflix says NSES 500 error. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, whenever you face the NSES 500 on Netflix, it most likely means the server of the Netflix app is temporarily down. In order to also verify that, you can just open up your browser and then you could just go ahead and then type in "is Netflix down?" When you type in "is Netflix down?" you will see the server status of Netflix. If you don't see it, then you can also just go to downdetector.net, which is my personal favorite. And if you see a sudden spike in the number of reports from the Netflix users in the last 24 hours, it means that the Netflix server is actually facing some issues. So you simply have to wait until you actually go ahead and then Netflix fixes that or not. If not, then if you're using from browser, then I would just recommend you to reload your browser, whether you're on PC or whether you're on Android or iOS. Or else what you could do is you could just go to your Play Store and you could type in Netflix and check if the Netflix app has an update available. If it has, then just update the Netflix app to the latest version. If this doesn't help your problem as well, then it could also be due to some temporary junk files which are stored on your app. So just go ahead and then long press on the Netflix app icon over here and then tap on the little I button. Once you tap on the I button or the app info page, just go to storage. As you go to storage, clear the cache. And I might also want you to actually clear the data. When you clear the data, keep in mind that all of the movies and shows that you've ever downloaded on Netflix is also going to be deleted. So you have to just keep that in mind. After you've done that, now most likely this would fix the issue. If it did help solve the problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.